What's going on, guys? 2015 Nissan Murano. This has a 3.5 liter V6 in it. A quick video on how to replace the air filter. I've got the K&N high flow air filter here. I usually buy K&N filters because they're washable, reusable. So if you plan on keeping your vehicle for a while, that's the way to go. It's supposed to flow better. Right here, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. I don't really buy them for that. I just buy them because they're good quality and washable and reusable. So I'm sure a lot of you guys with the Muranos have this engine. Follow this over here, and here's your air box right here. Nissan makes it real simple. There's just two tabs right here, two clips. Pop those up, lift this up. You can see on the back side in there, there's little sections for those plastic tabs to sit in when we put it back. This vehicle has about 25,000 miles on it. About every 20,000 or so is when you need to replace it, and you can kind of see it's about due. Some other stuff in there, some leaves and debris in there a little bit. So we've got our air filter here. Just make sure you remember which side goes down in there. Should only go one way. Nice quality filter. Just slide this thing in here. Make sure it's nice and flat and seated right, just like that. And then you'll kind of put the back in first. You'll feel it kind of slide in there, and then just push it down and pop these tabs or clips back into place. Nice and secure. Everything's locked in there, and there you go. So like I said, that's 25,000 miles. It's about due. I would wash your filter, every 10,000, 15,000, or every other oil change if you want. But hope that helps. Real simple. Definitely go with the K&N. Washable, reusable, more horsepower, so they say. Hope this helps. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.